Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and in this video we're doing another requested drawing, this time from Ethan Lofquist. He would like me to draw Bart Simpson, so that's what we're going to do in just a second. But before we get into it, just a friendly reminder, here on this channel, I like to teach you guys how to draw in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos on the channel here every Thursday, so be sure to check your calendar for the day after Wednesday for some new videos. But if you want to make things a little bit more automatic, come into the 21st century, if you will, go right now, click that subscribe button and hit your notification button. That way YouTube does it all for you. It'll let you know when the new video's out. Okay, don't have a cow, man. We're getting into our drawing of Bart Simpson. Okay, here we go. So for this one, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need your drawing utensil. This could be a marker like I'm using. I'm just using this marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but feel free to use whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to our coloring step, I'm using these colors here. Feel free to copy these or choose your own. Also, if I'm going too fast in the tutorial, feel free to push the pause button or hit that rewind button. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible and have lots of fun. First step, we're gonna draw Bart's eye. So that's gonna be a circle in the middle of our page here. We're just gonna draw that circle all the way around, over and in like so. Then we're gonna draw his eye, which starts from about here, and we're gonna pull, that's his nose, not an eye. So we're gonna pull a line out around, down like that. This kind of looks like a fish hook a little bit. Then we're gonna draw his other eye. We're gonna start at the end of his nose here. We're gonna curve that line up ever so slightly, back over and down like that. Then we'll indicate his pupils. Just draw a little dot like here, and then a dot over here. Next, we're gonna draw Bart's mouth, the top of his mouth at least. We're gonna start right here. We're just gonna come off the nose out like that. Then we're going to come and curve the line in and up just so slightly like that, and then indicate the smile line with a little curved line like that. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of Bart's mouth. So we're going to come down here, just curve that line. This is kind of like an S curve a little bit, and down like so. Then we're going to indicate the top of his collar. It's going to go out and up like that. Then we're gonna start with the back of his head here. We're gonna draw a line up like that. We're gonna stop right here, and we're gonna make a little C shape. So that C shape indicates his ear, like that. And then inside his ear, he's got like kind of a T. So it's a curved line like this, and then a line down like that. Next, we're gonna continue the back of his head here. So we're gonna draw a line from there, all the way up to about there. Then we're gonna draw the other side of his face, starting with his eyebrow. So that's gonna start at about here. We're gonna curve a line up like that. And then this line goes up a little bit higher than that to about there. Next, we're gonna draw the spikes on top of his head. So we'll draw a line down to about there, and then we'll just keep going with some V shapes like this. All the way across, keep those going. And in like that. All right, let's get started on Bart's shirt. So we're gonna come over to the edge of his collar here. We're gonna curve a line out and down to about there. And then we're gonna do a little bit behind his shirt over here, just kind of a curved line down to there. Then we're gonna draw his sleeve, which is kind of an upside down U shape. So we're just gonna curve a line up and over and down like so. And then to indicate the bottom of his sleeve cuff, we're gonna draw just kind of a curved line like that. And then his arm is gonna come straight down to here. Same thing on this side, straight down a little bit past that other one to about there. And then we're gonna cap it off with a curved line to indicate his pocket, because he's got his hands in his pockets in this picture. Then we'll just draw some straight lines to end the cuff there. Pull that up and like that. Now, he's got a little bit of a tummy, but that's okay. We're gonna pull that line out, a little curved line down to about there. Then we're gonna curve this down, keep that going all the way across to about there. And then we're gonna pick up off of the sleeve here to draw his back. So it's just a curved line out to about there. And then I'm just gonna complete my line there. All right, let's move on to Bart's shorts. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna curve a line down to about there. Maybe a little further. Then there's a short little line that goes down like that. And then the bottom of his shorts comes around to about there. And it goes up a little bit higher than this side. And then another curved line up and into the shirt. Then we'll do the other side of the shorts over here. So just a curved line like that, and then a curved line in like so to the bottom of the shorts. Then we're gonna come back up to the shirt here because I forgot to draw the other side. So let's complete the shirt. So we're gonna draw a curved line out like this to about there, and then we'll curve it in like that. And then you can see a little bit of his arm too. So it's just a straight line down like that. Let's move on to his legs. So that's gonna start right here. We're going to draw a line down to about there. Another line over here on this side, down to about there. Then we'll come over to the other side, draw a line down to about there. And then another line behind it to about there. And we're gonna cap these off with a little curved line, just a very slight curve like that. And like that. Next, we're gonna do his socks. So they're kind of crumpled down. We're gonna curve a line out like this, another line on this side out like this, and then we will do that same curve we just did above and connect those two curves. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we're gonna curve that line down like that. Over here, curve that line down like that, and then we'll mirror that curve we just drew above and connect it to the other sock. Then we'll do his shoes. So shoe number 1 is gonna start right here. Just curve that line down to about there. And then on the back side, it's a little shallower of a curve, down to about right there. Same thing on this side, we're gonna curve that line down to about there, and then stop, because we can't see the back side of that other shoe. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the bottom of the shoes. So that's just gonna be a shallow curve all the way up and into that one. There we go. And we'll curve that line up and in like that. And then we'll create the soles of the shoes. Just a straight line down like that, straight line down like that. And then we're gonna copy that curve we just did to connect those lines. On this side, we only see the front side of the sole. So we're just gonna draw that line down like that. And then we'll copy that curved line all the way in like that. And then he's got a little logo on his shoe. So we're gonna draw just kind of a half circle here, all the way around like that. All right, and there's your line work for Bart Simpson. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, which bear is the most rude? A panda. All right, we're gonna move on to our coloring step, and I'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored Bart Simpson. Thank you so much for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had tons of fun drawing Bart Simpson. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas. That's where you come in. If you've got a great idea about what you would want me to teach you how to draw, leave that in the comments for me. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.